How to delete Gmail account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Gmail account either on your mobile device or on your PC. After that, click on your profile and here you would be able to find the option of manage your Google account. Simply click on it. Then wait for it to load. And at the left hand side panel you would be able to see the option of data and privacy. If you are on mobile device, it will ask you to select any particular Gmail account. Simply select the account that you want to delete and you would be able to see these options. Select the option of data and privacy, then wait for it to load. After that, scroll down till the very end, and right at the end you would be able to find this option of delete your Google account. Simply click on it, and after that select the option of Gmail, and this way you would not only be able to delete your Gmail account but also your YouTube and all the other associated accounts with your Google account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.